Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this simple and elegant decor, and everything is from dollar store. Here you can see these walls already have a gorgeous floral imprints on it, so I just want to enhance the floral imprints it has, and I also love the original color. For this wall, I'm going to use green and blue glitter glue gun. You can see I have done half and half. For red ball, I'm going to use red glue gun and a touch of golden. Roll the ball around, dab into the glitter slightly and roughly. There we have it, a simple and elegant piece of decor. And the tray I had it from last fall. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.